Rotation about an arbitrary line. Rotation of an object in space about an arbitrary axis is used in robotics animation. To rotate an object about an arbitrary line or axis in space, we first rotate and translate this axis in such a way that it coincides with one of the coordinate axes. Then rotation about the coordinate axis is done, and then the axis is re-rotated and retranslated to its original position along with the object. This process is well described in the following algorithm. First let the arbitrary axis be denoted by L. Suitable translation and rotation is applied so that the line L coincides with z-axis. Then rotate about z-axis, then apply the inverse transformation. To elaborate the above steps, see the following figures. So first is rotation of OP about x-axis, and then rotation of OP dash about y-axis. These figures describe the procedure to be followed to determine angles of rotation such that the line L coincides with z-axis. Then let P be a point on the line L passing through the origin and having direction cosines Cx, Cy and Cz. So let the position vector matrix of point P be Cx, Cy, Cz. Hence mod of OL, that is distance of OL, is Cx, distance of PM Cy and distance of LM Cz. Also distance of OP, that is mod of OP, equals to root of Cx square plus Cy square plus Cz square, which is equals to 1. Next rotate OP about x axis till it lies in xz plane. Let P be the transform to P dash. The line OP and x axis determine a plane. Determine a plane OPL in the figure. The angle of rotation is the angle between this plane OPL and XZ plane. This is determined as angle alpha as shown in this figure. In the right angle triangle PML, we have PL square equals to PM square plus ML square, that is Cy square plus Cz square. Denote mod of PL equals to D. Therefore D equals to square root of Cy square plus Cz square. And we get cos alpha equals to ML upon PL, which is equals to ML is Cz, mod of ML is Cz upon PL is D, and sin alpha is PM upon PL, that is Cy upon D. During this rotation, x coordinate of P remains same. Therefore P dash is Cx 0 D and mod of OP dash equals to 1. Now in the second figure, rotate. In this second figure, rotate OP dash about y-axis through an angle beta. Therefore the triangle ONDC N dash P dash is right angle triangle. Therefore cos beta equals to mod of O N dash upon mod of OP dash, which is equals to D, and sin beta is N dash P dash upon mod of OP dash equals to Cx. Since we rotate about y-axis through and from positive direction of the x-axis towards positive direction of z-axis, it is negative rotation. Thus the acute angle of the rotation for the transformation is minus beta. That is, if we rotate line L about the x-axis through an angle alpha and then about y-axis through an angle minus beta, then the line L coincides with z-axis. Now the algorithm for rotation about line L in a space passing through the point A x0 y0 z0 with direction cosine cx cy cz through an angle delta. So step first is let L be a line in a space passing through a point A, x0, y0, z0 are the coordinates of point A with direction cosine cx, cy and cz. Let the angle of rotation be delta and x denote the object in a space. Second step is second step, first translate in x y z direction by minus x naught minus y naught minus z naught so that L passes through origin. Therefore we get this transformation matrix. Next is rotate about x axis through an angle alpha, where cos alpha is cz upon d and sin alpha is cy upon d. Therefore we get transformation matrix for rotation about x axis, that is Rx equals to 1 0 0 0 0 cz upon d cy upon d 0 0 minus cy upon d cz upon d 0 0 0 0 1. Therefore we know for rotation transformation matrix is cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. We use this transformation matrix here. Next is rotate about z axis through an angle delta. Therefore rotation about y axis through an angle minus beta, where cos beta is d and sin beta is cx. Therefore we get the transformation matrix as d 0 cx 0 0 1 0 0 minus cx 0 d 0 0 0 0 1. Next is rotation about z axis through an angle delta. Therefore cos delta sin delta 0 0 minus sin delta cos delta 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Then apply inverse rotation about the y-axis. The next step is apply inverse rotation about x-axis. First apply inverse rotation about y-axis, then inverse rotation about x-axis, and last apply inverse translation. So this combining this all the transformation matrices, we get T equals to transformation matrix TR Rx Ry Rz Ry inverse Rx inverse and TR inverse. Now compute step 4 is compute x star equals to x t and then transform to the physical coordinates using x dash y dash z dash h transform to x upon h, y upon h, z upon h.